Hi, welcome to the 6th episode of Unity Game Development for Complete Beginner series. In the previous episode, we learned about scripting in Unity, what are Unity scripts and how we can create and use them. In this episode, we will learn about 3D objects in Unity and we'll have a look at some of the components of 3D objects. In order to work in 3D environment, our scene view must be in 3D. If it is selected 2D, you can change it to 3D by clicking here. Just as we use sprites in 2D, we can use 3D objects in 3D environment. We can import 3D objects from outside of Unity by dragging them into the project window. And from project window, we can either drop them in the hierarchy or directly to the scene window, and it will be visible in both hierarchy window and scene window. Let's reset our object's transform. In order to focus on the object in the screen, we will select the object in the hierarchy and will press F shortcut key on the keyboard. It will take us to our object if it is lost somewhere in the scene. Unity also provides some built-in 3D objects that we can use for many purposes in projects, but here we will use them for practicing different things. In your hierarchy window, right-click, then click on 3D objects. Here you can see the list of all the 3D objects. Let's select a cube. Now you can see a cube in scene and hierarchy as well. We can rename it to something else, but for now let it be cube. Let's bring some of the other 3D objects and place them at different position in our scene. So here are 4 different types of objects. We will use them in our coming projects to try and test our games. There is another object called plane. This is mostly used as a surface or ground for our other objects. As everything is white, let's drag and drop our 3D objects that we brought from outside of Unity to see the difference. By default, a 3D object created in the scene window has attached a transform component that handles its position, rotation, and scale. A mesh filter that defines its shape. We can change its shape from mesh filter, but we will not do that. And a mesh renderer, if you turn off the mesh renderer, you will not be able to see your cube anymore. This handles all the visible characteristics of your 3D objects. Then there is a box collider. We will see colliders in details in coming videos. We don't need it for now. That was all for this episode. In the next episode, we will learn how to add material colors to game objects in Unity.